All right, so let's say I accidentally delete a contact on my phone and I want to restore it. Here's how we do it. First, go to your Contacts app. I'm going to show this in Google Contacts first. Samsung's Contacts app is slightly different, and I'll cover that in just a second. In Google Contacts, go to Organize, or sometimes it's labeled Fix and Manage, and scroll down to Trash. Here, you'll see any recently deleted contacts. I've noticed the Google Contacts app can sometimes be a little slow to display deleted contacts here, so if you don't see anything, check back in a few minutes, or restart the app. Once you see your deleted contact, you can long press to select one, then tap the three dots up top and choose Recover. That'll restore the contact back into your Contacts app. If I go back to Contacts, the list might not refresh immediately. Like I said, the Contacts app can be a little slow to update. So if your restored contact doesn't show up right away, just pull up the app switcher, swipe up to close the Contacts app, then reopen it, and you'll see the contact back on the list. If you're on a Samsung phone and using the Samsung Contacts app instead, the process is similar, but the app looks slightly different. I'll go ahead and delete this contact, so it's gone and removed from my Contacts app. To restore it, I'll tap the three dots up top, go to Trash, and there's the deleted contact. I'll tap Restore, and it goes right back into my contacts. Also, if you accidentally erased or merged your entire contact list, or just messed up something and want to restore everything back to normal, you can actually roll back your whole contact book to any point in the last 30 days. To do that, open a web browser, go to contacts.google.com, and log into the Google account linked to your phone. Then tap the little gear icon and choose Undo Changes. From there, you can select your rollback point, 10 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, yesterday, or a custom date going back up to 30 days. Click Confirm, and your phone will resync, restoring your contacts to exactly the state they were in at that selected time. And that is how you restore deleted contacts on Android. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.